Okay, this is to demonstrate the ThinkPad T500 in the docking station mode, or using the docking station. You can either use it with the old IBM logo docking station from the T60, or the newer one for the T61, T61P, and the T500, T400, those guys, or W500, all those guys, they fit on this docking station. So with the key, you can lock it. Then it cannot be moved. Pretty much the benefit of the docking station is it turns the ThinkPad into a desktop, and you can do dual monitors. The only downside is one of them is VGA. There's one DVI and one VGA. So this one is on VGA right now, and this one is on DVI. So this one actually looks brighter, slightly. But it's not that bad. And yeah, it's basically like a desktop now. You got the mouse, you got the full-size keyboard down there. Yeah, when it's in the dock mode, you don't have to use dual monitor. You can use the screen and one monitor, and this touchpad still works. This thing still works. To undock, it's pretty simple. I usually don't even use the key, but you just press this, and since this is Windows 7, it undocks a whole lot faster than Windows XP. It's almost instantaneous. It just bam, it's undocked already. Now you can just pull it out. So you just press this down and pick it up, and then see, the monitor is gonna go in standby mode, one at a time, and pretty much it's got really solid hinges. There, it's back. So, that's pretty much it. That's the ThinkPad and the docking station.